Okay, so now we've isolated the problem. Here is the problem. This little washer, which is supposed to be basically right here in the middle, supposed to be held into place, slips down. Once that slips down, the door will not do anything. If you slide this up to the middle position like that, you just simply slide it up, the lock works with no problem. And to look closer into the problem, you see so many reasons why it's not going to move if that little thing is down. You see the white thing back here. With this thing pushed down, that white thing isn't going to move. Pushed up, it can move freely. Also back here, we have another problem. Okay, we lock it back. When it's unlocked, there's no way for this thing to slip down. It can't slip down. If you hit it with a hammer, it probably wouldn't slip down. But when it's locked, thing slips right down. And by slipping down, it also affects that piece of metal right there, which is also going to prevent this thing from going up and down. So when this is down, you see that metal comes up. That metal comes up, the lock won't move. You have to lift that up, and that'll go back down. And once that's down, again, the lock moves with ease. So what we want to do is get this thing to stop moving up and down, because that's not supposed to move up and down like that. But as you can see from this top angle, that thing is worn down. So I'm going to take that off to get a closer look at it, see if it can be replaced or fixed somehow. And what you do for that is you just push this direction with the screwdriver. You put it on the plastic and you push that way. Now I'm not going to do it with the camera in my hand because I got to catch that. So okay, now once you unhook that piece of plastic right there, you're going to have to get your hands dirty, which I'm going to have to actually do. So, I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Pull that right out, and this is going to come off. Of course, you want to be careful. So you see I pull that out, keeping note of how it goes mentally. You know, keep a mental note of how this is going to go back on there. And I'm going to take a look at this and get back with you.